Hello guys and welcome to the fourth tutorial of the Solidworks 2016 tutorial series. So in the previous tutorial we went through the rectangular tool in Solidworks, and in this tutorial we are going to look after slot. So let's go to file, click on new, part and OK. So we'll select the front plane and click on sketch. So here is the slot tool. Again, it provides us with four types of slot. So we'll just go with the straight slot in the first attempt. So just click on any point and the end point. So basically this is a straight slot, and the next type is center point straight slot. So here we had to define the whole line. So here let's click here. We will just have to define the radius. And the slot will be made. The next type of slot is a 3-point arc slot. So the previous two slots that we have drawn, that is these two, they are called they are straight. Means there's no curve. There's no curve that is available in these two type of slots. So here we'll just click on a point, and we'll have to choose an arc here. So I choose here. And then we have to select the third point to choose the radius of the slot. So I guess this is better. And then we can draw the slot. So as you can see, this is a curved slot and these two are straight slots. We have a fourth type of slot here. And here first we have to define the center of the slot, that is like here. Click on escape. Center point arc slot. So first we have to click on the radius center. Now suppose I want it to be till this point, and I can create it. So this is all in the slots. See you in the next tutorial.